Generally, your credit score is a number ranging between 300 and 900. What does this score mean? Well, it is just a numerical representation of your credit history, showing how much credit experience you have and how well you have been dealing with it. Lenders use this score to determine your credit worthiness or how eligible you are for getting loans or credit cards. But the calculation of this score is quite complicated, as there are a number of factors and sub-factors that go into it, which are not apparent from the score itself. So what if you see your score and don't understand why it is at that level? This is where your credit report comes in. The report has details on all of your credit activities: applications, rejections, open and closed credit lines, delayed payments, missed payments. If you fail repayment altogether, there would also be negative remarks in there. The credit report shows you why exactly your credit score is where it is, so that you can review them thoroughly and make the needed improvements.
Need to check your credit score for the first time? Well, all you need to do is sign up at the MyMoneyKarma website. We provide free access to your credit score, your detailed credit report, and personalized advice on how your credit can be improved. Moreover, checking your credit score with MyMoneyKarma is a soft inquiry, meaning it does not have any impact on your credit score. You can get started right away by following the link below.